Hello, students. Do you know what it is? Yes, it's a joker. And you see different shapes like the circle, the triangle, the square, rectangle, out of which the joker is made. And look what? Here we have a dog and a cat made up of the same shapes that we have learned in our previous class. Now here students, we see different patterns, different designs made up of different shapes, right? Like the squares we have the triangles, and we have come out with a different and a variety of designs. Yes. So these different shapes and designs are called as patterns, which are made with the help of shapes that we have already learnt in our previous classes. So a pattern is a repeated or regular way in which something happens or is done. A pattern is an arrangement of lines or shapes, especially a design in which the same shape is repeated at regular intervals over a surface. These patterns are used in different ways, like in rangolis, we have the sari borders or the geometrical patterns. Even this pattern is used in the textiles, in the fabrics, like these are the various fabric designs, saris borders, different types of patterns on the cloth, right? You have colorful dresses, then you have the patterns in your window panes. So students, patterns can be classified into two categories. That one, geometrical patterns, the patterns which are made up of geometrical shapes. And second is the number patterns. That is the patterns where we use the numbers which we have in our mathematics. Right? Students, let's observe the given patterns over here. In the first, we see that the circle, the triangle, then the circle, triangle, circle, triangle. That makes a triangle is after the circle, right? Then the circle comes. So here we can say we have got a pattern or a rule that is A, B, A, B, right? Similarly, we have got two hearts, then a star, two hearts and a star. So a pattern is being followed by the rule of AAB. In the third one, we have a rectangle, then two clouds, rectangle, two clouds. So here the rule goes ABB. And in the next, we have two circles, two smileys, two circles, two smileys. Or we can say the rule followed here is AABB. Now students, we see a blue triangle, yellow triangle and a circle. Again, a blue triangle, yellow triangle and a circle, blue triangle, yellow triangle and a circle. So every time we have got different objects. So here the rule followed is A, B, C. Or in other words, we can say it's a growing pattern. Like in the last one, we have a rectangle, a triangle, a rectangle, but this time we have got two triangles, then a rectangle, and now we have three triangles. So what do we observe, students? Earlier we had one triangle, then two triangles, and now three triangles. So this pattern is having a rule of growing patterns. Now students, here we observe that by adding 2, we are getting the next number. That is, if I add 2 to 1, I get 3. And then again by adding 2 to 3, I get 5. Similarly, I get 7 and 9. So my pattern goes on. Right students? Now in this, we see that we are adding 3 to the previous number. That is 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11, and that's how my pattern goes on. And here we see the pattern that it is one finger, then 2 fingers followed by 3 fingers, 4 fingers, and 5 fingers. That's making a pattern. And which pattern it is? A growing pattern. Students, here we observe that the pattern is on a declining side. That is, here we have to subtract 2 to the previous number. Like 20 minus 2 gives you 18, minus 2 gives you 16, minus 2 gives you 14. So this is how my pattern becomes. Right, students? So I hope you have understood the different patterns. Now, on the basis of your understanding, here is a worksheet for you to do it. So I hope everybody will be able to do it. Very good. So clap for yourself and enjoy the class.